Yo, $5,000 a month for a car. That's crazy, Mr. Daniel.
Yeah, it's killing me. It's killing me.
It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of buying your dream car, but things can change quickly. Income can drop, unexpected expenses can pop up, and that huge car payment can quickly turn from pride to regret. And overspending can trap you in debt long after that thrill is gone. Before you sign, ask yourself if that money can give you more security or flexibility elsewhere. If you're new here, I'm Mike, and on this channel we talk about money, cars, avoiding debt, and keeping more of your paycheck. If that sounds good, hit that like and subscribe button and drop a comment.
Calling a customer on his 2022 Rolls-Royce Cullinan. He owes almost $400,000, pays $5,000 a month, and is upside down big time and wants to get out of it. Let's see what can be done. Hey Daniel, how are you? This is the car dealer.
I'm good. How you doing, Yusuf?
I'm doing good. So I'm calling about the Rolls-Royce Cullinan you got. It's a 2022. I think the message I got said 2021, but the VIN number says 2022. I love the orange interior. So tell me what you got, man. What you got going on?
Yeah, man, I got it called like 2 years ago. I got paid like $384, you know.
Dropping massive money on a luxury car might feel like success, but at the end of the day, it's still just a car. And it's losing value every mile you drive. That kind of spending can lock you into years of stress. Imagine what else you could do with that money. Invest it, buy a house, build real wealth, rather than feeding a car payment that's bigger than most people's mortgage. Without factoring in additional costs that come with owning a car, if you go with that 10 to 15% annual income on a vehicle, this guy's income should be $2.6 to $4 million. And that's likely not the case.
And and trying to get rid of, and I wanted to see what you could do for me. You know what I'm saying? I saw you on YouTube.
How much money did you put down?
Like I put like 15, 20 down on it.
All right.
You know, I'm trying to get out of that. You know, pay $5,000 a month. You know, for the car. You know, the Wood Forest. You know, bank, whatever. And
Wood Forest or Woodside is the bank?
What side? What side?
Not good. I'm about to say, man, Wood Forest. That's the bank at Walmart. So now you good. So 40,000 miles. You've been driving a lot. Dang, Mr. Daniel, where you going?
Man, man, I just, I can move around a little bit, man.
Okay, but yo, $5,000 a month for a car, that's crazy, Mr. Daniel.
Yeah, it's killing me. It's killing me.
Says you're in Miami, right?
Yes.
All right, cool.
Piling on extra miles only makes it worse. When you owe a ton on a car that's already depreciating, every extra mile chips away at its value. Writing those big monthly checks while the car drops in worth, that's not smart. It's burning money that could be building your future. Adding onto that payment is maintenance. And with the Rolls, that could be around $5,000 a year. A single tire is around $1,200. And insurance can run between $9,000 and $18,000 a year.
I mean, I love the color. The orange on the inside looks beautiful. No accidents. I mean, right now my offer, 40,000 miles is a lot for the Rolls-Royce. I'll probably be at like $275. So you said you owe $380,000. Can you send me the payoff right quick?
Do it. I mean, you need it now? Because right now I'm driving and traffic.
Okay. No, it's all good. I'll just send it. Text me after the payoff so we can make $105,000 underneath. So whoever offered you before offered you $40,000 lower. But yeah, man, you ain't got no money down to eat up the negative equity.
Be honest. Right now, I'm dealing with a lot right now. I really didn't get rid of this car. My son just got caught up in something. He got 30 years. I got to try to make sure he's good. So, I really don't, I just want to get rid of this car. And I saw your video.
Life can flip in an instant. Job loss, health issues, market swings. If you're tied to a massive car payment, there's no pause button. The debt doesn't care if things go sideways. And being stuck can turn that dream ride into a nightmare overnight. Keeping your finances flexible is way smarter than letting that car loan box you in. Live below your means, pay off existing debt, build an emergency fund, and invest the rest.
YouTube,
Yeah.
So I reached out to do for you.
You said your son got 30 years? I'm sorry about that, man.
Yeah, 30 years, yeah.
Well, I hope.
It happened the other day, so I'm trying to figure out, what can I do? I need to get a pill and all that. So all the money I got, I'm trying to, I just need to get rid of this car,
Yeah. There's a service that I partnered up and helped develop called The Lasso. I mean, you could try to post it there.
I sold an Audi on that before,
Oh, that's what's up. You sold an Audi. Okay, perfect. Yeah. You get $5,000 more. Maybe somebody might offer you like $280. Maybe George at J&S, he's got a dealership in New Jersey. Yusuf sent you. He'd probably give you a lot more than I can, but you have to have some money down to figure out how to get out this negative equity.
Can I
The stress of owing that much isn't just about the payment. It's always on your mind. Every month you're juggling bills and watching that car lose value, while life keeps throwing expenses at you. The pressure alone can turn what should be basic transportation into a constant burden. According to Dave Ramsey, Toyotas and Hondas are consistently listed as the top brands driven by millionaires.
Can I, my mind's all over the place, man. You know, everything is happening. Can I get back with you with that?
Yeah, that's fine, man. All right, look, just let me know. I'll send you the pictures. And these pictures you sent me, you took them or somebody else took them?
Yes, I took them.
Okay. All right, sounds good. All right, Mr. Daniel, let me know. I'll follow up and I'll send you the information for JNS, all right?
All right, thank you.
No problem.
Hello.
Hey, Mr. Daniel, just want to let you know, so, you know, I know you see my videos on YouTube and TikTok and Instagram. Camera, I know you brought up your son and all this. Is it cool if I post it?
That's fine. It's fine. No problem.
All right. Well, I hope it gets better for you and let me know what you think. And like I said, I'll try to see if I can connect you with somebody to give you more money, all right?
All right, thank you.
All right, brother.
A vehicle is only transportation. It shouldn't be the source of anxiety. Huge payments on something that keeps losing value is just asking for regret. Life changes fast, and being stuck with debt can seriously hurt your freedom. If you want to stay ahead, it's smarter to put that money in things that actually build your future, rather than into a car payment. Investing. I'm going to end the video here and ask you to hit that like button, drop a comment, and consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.